everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all designing developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous project, we have learned that how to build one click reaction game project in JavaScript, and I hope you all enjoyed that project. Now, in this project, we'll see that how to build one JavaScript clock project in JavaScript, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like in previous project of JavaScript. So, let's start. So over here you can see I have just made this clock project in JavaScript. So in this clock project you can see our second is just going by here you can see that, and our clock time is also coming, okay, but it is not showing the time, but there is one over here, the lines over here you can see that, okay, so we will just use that by for making, okay, and your second is also going, okay, like in clock, it just work like clock, okay, here you can see that. Now I will just show you how to build, but first of all for that you have to open your text editor. But first of all, please, if you are new here, so please hit the subscribe button and like my video, because it's really motivate me to make more content like that and more videos for you in coming of future. So now I will just go to my text editor, which is called brackets, and now over here I have just created one file which is called paper.html, and over here like previously we have worked, so I have just not created any of the link style sheet or any of the script tag with for linking that, okay. So I will just write my all the codes in my style tag for writing my CSS, and for writing my JavaScript, I will use script tag like previously I have done. So I will come over here first of all, and now I will just write style tag, and I will press tab over here, okay. So when you've done that, you have to come over here, and now here you have to just come, and now I will not use that because now I have to just write my HTML first of all. So I will come over here and I will write like JS, and over here I will write clock, okay. So it is a short form of JavaScript, like you all know JS. So I will come over here, and now over here I will just write like p tag, and now in that I will just write like seconds, okay. And when you've done that, you have to come over here, okay. So just come over here again, copy that, and now just you have to come and paste, and over here I will just write over here hour, okay. So I will write hour, and now I will just paste that again over here, and I will just change it to minute. So now when you've done that, you have to hit save over here, and now when you've done these all, just you have to come over here and now do nothing, just go to style tag over here, and now just come over here and write over here like that, and just write margin, which should be like 0 pixel, and now right over here like padding, okay. So just come and right over here like padding, which should be 0 pixel, and write box sizing, which should be border box. So now when you have done that, you have to come over here, and now right over here justify content in center, and now just write like that, and now right over here like just come over here and right over here, just when you've done that, write align items in center. So I will write align item center. Then you have to come over here, and now right over here display, which should be inline block. So I will write inline block, and now just when you've done that, write B over here, because now we have written lock. So I will just write block. Now when you've done that, you have to just come, and I will press enter, okay. So now it is done. Just when you've done that, you have to come over here and write font size, which should be 11 pixel, and right over here like font weight, which should be like 500, and right over here like font family, okay. So the font family I want of Montserrat, so I will define Montserrat, comma sans serif. So just when you've done that, you have to come over here, and now I will just write like border, which should be 1 pic solid white, okay. So I will write solid white, and now right over here border color, okay. So the border color I want of like white, so I will just come and I will write white over here. Now just come and write flash direction, which should be column, and now just when you've done that, you have to do nothing, you have to just hit save and go over here again and write body tag, and just come over here and write over here margin, which should be now 10 pixel, and padding, which should be 21 pixel, and now just come over here and write justify content should be in center, and right over here like align items in center. So I will do like that, and now when you've done that, you have to come and write display, which should be block, and just come over here, and now just write over here like we have done, and I will write float into left. Just when you've done that, come and write border, it should be 1 pic solid, and it should be now black, and right over here again we should be like border color, okay. So now the border color I want of like, just come over here and write it black again, and just come over here again and write flash direction, which should be like column. So now when you've done that, you have to come over here and write over here font size, which should be like 12 pixel, and write font weight, okay. So the font weight I want of like 400, and now right over here like font family, okay. So the font family I want of Montserrat, and again comma sans serif. Just come over here again, and now just go to the top, okay. So now it is enough, okay. So just come over here and write box sizing, so I will write over here box sizing, which should be border box. Then come over here, and now here you have to write like padding we have defined margin, then right over here padding top. Okay, so the padding top I want of 12 pixel, then right over here flex direction, it should be column. Okay, so I have already defined that, so I will write over here flex wrap. Okay, so the flex wrap I want of like wrap reverse, so I will write over here wrap. Okay, so just correct spelling, and I will write over here reverse. Now just come over here again, write over here only color which should be black, and just come over here and write background which should be white, and background color which should be also white. So now when you've done that, you have to do like just come over here and hit save again. Okay, so just maximize that over here, and now when you've done these all, just you have to do nothing, you have to hit save over here again. And now we have done with our HTML, just we have done our CSS. So now here you have to do your work with your JavaScript. So I will come over here and I will add script tag, press tab over here, and now underneath this script tag I will write my all the JavaScript which I have to define. So I will come over here now, and now when you've done that, you have to come and write over here function tag, and in that I will write background. And just when you've done that, you have to come over here and now write over here like just write const or let. I will define let, and I will define const equal document dot query selector. And now when you've done that, you have to come over here and write over here like const again like that, and just you have to come over here and write let function equal document dot query selector, and in that strings you have to define function. So I will write function, and now just come over here and write let background equal document dot query selector. And now just when you've done that, you have to write over here like document like that. And now when you've done that, you have to come over here and write like that. When you have done these all, just you have to come over here and close that by writing this tag. Come and write background dot. Okay, so write over here like background dot add event listener. Then come over here and write query selector. So I will define query selector dot button, and I will define on click. Okay, so write dot on click. And now when you've done that, you have to come over here and write background dot function. Okay, so I will define function button dot on click tag. So I will define button dot on click dot, and I will define array tag. And just when you've done these all, write dot function. Okay, and write over here dot const. So when you've done that, you have to come over here and just I will close that, and I will define this close brackets, means this close curly brackets, and over here I will come and I will just write starting curly bracket and erase that. Now just when you've done that, you have to come over here and write function dot button, and write over here like array dot, and over here I will write const dot on click. So now when you've done that, you have to come and write dot document dot function, and write over here like that. When you've done that, come and write function, and over here you have to write button dot array, and write over here dot on click tag. Just come and write dot document and write dot function again. So we have done till over here. Come and write const dot button, and write over here on click, and write dot function dot, and over here just come over here and write selector. So I will write selector dot, and over here I will come and I will write function tag again. Now just when you've done that, by closing that, you have to just finish that. I will do like that. And now just when you've done these all, you have to hit save over here, uh, create another file, and just write over here like paper dot html, because now we have to link our file with this file. So now when you've done that, you have to go to Google Chrome, and I will just show you like how it is looking. Okay, so just go to Google Chrome by pressing that, and over here you can see our clock has been ready of JavaScript. Here you can see our second is just going forward. Over here you can see, and our all the things are just ready to make. Okay, here you can see that, and our white border is also coming, which we have done with CSS, like I've telling you, border one pic solid like that we have written. So now like that you can make your own JavaScript clock project in JavaScript. So I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project like I enjoyed my previous project of JavaScript. So just you have to practice this all project we are working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of JavaScript also, like you are of Python and HTML and CSS. So just you have to hit the subscribe button, because it's really helped me and it's motivate me to make more content like that and more videos for you in coming up future. And you can also like my video, because it also really motivate me, and you can also comment me down like what things do you want from me in coming up future videos. So I will just meet you next project. So for today, goodbye.